Hello and welcome to the 27th episode of our weekly Unity tip Roundup, where we take a look at the tweets that were posted or mentioned on or around each Tuesday under the Unity tips hashtag. Another week has passed and you can find some fresh and interesting new Unity tips on Twitter and in this list. In this episode we gathered tweets that were posted, shared or retweeted around 12th of July 2022. This time we, again, start with our good friend Mirza. He is still working on changing the world for the better, and with this tip he definitely will change our next Unity project for the better. Because everyone needs a beautiful particle loading spinner, and we will use it for sure. He is sharing his 1-minute method to his now over 10,000 followers, and the impressive amount of more than 700 likes shows us that there are many developers out there interested in creating this type of spinner. Luke Thompson is developing software for the Quest VR, and he also is a synthwave musician with over 1,000 followers, originating from the UK. You might know his name since he was involved in the creation of Superhot. Check out his profile for links and more information. With such creative tasks you must be well organized. And to get more structure into your code, Luke is reminding us that we can name fields. This is a nice tip especially for people who are new to programming and Unity. Check out the image to see how it works. Chronic makes another appearance and he packed his tip up in a short video. Have you ever rage quitted Unity because you could not align your objects perfectly in the editor? Then maybe you are interested to learn that you can do vertex snapping for game objects simply by holding V while moving them. Next time you can take a deep breath, press V and be happy when everything falls into place. Esther is a newcomer to our list and she currently has nearly 700 followers on Twitter. She is working on her own game called The Last Stand. You can find a link collection on her Twitter profile. Some of us like the color pink, others don't, but no one likes the pink material issue in Unity 2021 LTS. Esther shows us how to get rid of this. It is as easy as using the converter from the menu. Check the image in her post to see where you can find it. And for the final spot we have another tip from Eric with his 1155 followers. His Unity tip is more mathematical than the previous tips in this video. If you are using waypoints, you may have used distance between objects and waypoints to check if your character passed a waypoint. And you may also have encountered that this does not always work really well. So Eric got a nicer way to find out if you passed a waypoint that is less error prone. Just use vector projection. And if you click the link in the post, you will find more information on how it works. Give it a try. And in the tradition of our series, we are adding our own tip at the end of the list. This week's tip again reached a lot of people and sparked a lengthy discussion. If and when it would be wise or not to do what we are proposing. The tip itself was just a short hint about reducing the complexity of nested if-else structures, maybe add an early exit to your methods by using a guard clause. But apparently there are a lot of different ways to handle these cases. We highly recommend checking out the discussion in the comments and to read up on the mentioned topics. As always, it is good to know both sides. And now we are really done with the list. Another week, another bunch of nice tips, another flock of helpful Unity developers who shared their knowledge. And as we do it every time, we will also try to again emphasize on the fact that the whole Unity tips tradition only works because there are a lot of really good and creative creators out there who share their knowledge for free. And they deserve your appreciation. Without these people and their tips, these videos would not exist. So head on over to Twitter and leave a few likes and follows here and there. When you're done, we would like to remind you that there are now nearly 30 episodes to watch in this series alone. And they are all on our channel, so maybe check it out. We also have a few Unity tutorials that may also be interesting to watch. And while you are there, why not subscribe to our channel? Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications. For any questions, comments, recommendations or requests, please use the comment section. Thank you for your time and see you next week.